Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a newsletter in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on choose template. And here if you scroll down to the bottom, we find newsletter and we have 3 templates. We just select one that we like. Just like this. And then here we have a template for a newsletter. Now of course we can edit this by tapping on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And then we can change the images, change the text, change the color, whatever, but we have a starting point with this template. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.